Hello friends. This video is brought to you by mywayteaching.com.
Let us now learn how to solve an equation. Before doing that, we must remember that if we add the same number to both sides of an equation, it doesn't alter the equation. For example, if we have x equal to 6 and we add 2 on both sides, then the equation holds. That means x equal to 6 is same as x plus 2 equal to 6 plus 2. Similarly, if we subtract the same number from both sides of an equation, it doesn't alter the equation. X equal to 6 will remain same if we subtract 3 from both sides of the equation. Similarly, if we multiply or divide with the same number on both sides of the equation, it doesn't alter the equation. That means x equal to 6 is same as 2 into x, 2 into 6. That is 2x equal to 12, or x equal to 6 is same as 1 by 3 into x, which is equal to 1 by 3 into 6. Here we are dividing by 3 on both sides, and that is same as x by 3 equal to 6 by 3. Keeping in mind the properties, let us consider the equation x plus 3 equal to 8 and learn to solve this. Basically, our target is to find the value of x for which this condition should hold. So, we need x equal to something. So, we start by subtracting 3 from both sides of this equation. We get x plus 3 minus 3 equal to 8 minus 3. Let us solve this further. We get x plus 0 equal to 5, or x equal to 5. So, x equal to 5 is the solution of the equation x plus 3 equal to 8. Let us confirm our answer. Let us put x equal to 5 in left hand side of our equation. So, left hand side is x plus 3. When we put x equal to 5, we get 5 plus 3, which is equal to 8. Hence, x equal to 5 satisfies the condition and hence we have checked that x equal to 5 is solution. Let us take another example. Say 5y equal to 35. Our target is to find y equal to some value. So let us remove this 5 by dividing both sides of the equation by 5. We will get 5y divided by 5 is equal to 35 divided by 5. On solving this further, we will get y equal to 7 as the solution of 5y equal to 35. Again we can check. Let us confirm if y equal to 7 is the solution by putting in the left hand side of the equation, which is 5y. Let us put y equal to 7 and which is equal to 35. That is same as the right hand side of the equation. Hence we can say that y equal to 7 is a solution of the equation 5y equal to 35. Let us read the question. Solve 3n plus 7 equal to 25. So our target is to find the value of n in order to solve this equation. Let us start by subtracting 7 on both sides of the equation. We get 3n plus 7 minus 7 equal to 25 minus 7. This will give us 3n equal to 18. Let us now remove this 3 from n by dividing both sides by 3. We get 3n by 3 is equal to 18 by 3. Let us solve this further. We get 3 6 are 18, and so n equal to 6 is the solution to our equation 3n plus 7 equal to 25. Hence, we will write n equal to 6 is the required solution of 3n plus 7 equal to 25. Now the second part of the same question is to solve 2p minus 1 equal to 23. First thing, we will remove this one. For that, let us add 1 on both sides of the equation. We get 2p minus 1 plus 1 equal to 23 plus 1. That is, minus 1 plus 1 will give us 0, so they are getting cancelled. We get 2p is equal to 24. Next step is to remove this 2 with p. That can be done by dividing with 2. So we get 2p by 2 is equal to 24 by 2. Solve this further. We get p equal to 12, and we can write that p equal to 12 is the required solution.